Welcome to an instructional video for participants in the McMaster Monitoring My Mobility study. In this video, we will explain how to charge and use the watch during your study duration. For more information about the watch, please refer to both your study package and the other videos in this series. Please note that your study package may also include a second device called an actigraph if you consented to use it in the study. Information about the actigraph is not covered in this video. Separate instructions for the actigraph will be provided. What's included with the watch, and how to charge it. First, you'll notice the smartwatch in your study package. This watch comes preloaded with software known as the Study app, or IV, that you will use during the study. We've tried to make the watch and app as easy to use as possible. In addition to a smartwatch, you'll also receive a charging cable and a wall adapter you can use to make sure your watch is charged. Your watch will come equipped with a screen protector like this and also a plastic piece that is intended to fit over the top button on the right side of the watch. The purpose of this plastic piece is to prevent any accidental presses of the top right button. If you accidentally press it and are having trouble getting back into the app, please see our troubleshooting video for more information. If when you receive the watch, the plastic piece or screen protector are not already attached to the watch, here's how to connect them. First, slide the plastic piece into place on the top right button, and then place the screen protector around the outer edges of the watch. Once pressed down, it should fit nicely. You can also make sure the screen protector is over the plastic piece to help keep it in position, as shown in the video. If installed correctly, your fingers should not be able to press the top button. To charge your watch, first take the wall adapter and connect the USB end of the charging cable to it. Once you've done that, plug it into a power socket. You can then take the charging cable with the side that has some pins on it and connect them to the underside of the watch. You'll notice on the watch that there are 4 metal contacts that you can connect the charging cable to. Simply align the two and they should magnetically connect together. You can then tap on your screen and you'll notice a lightning bolt will appear on the app display if you are charging correctly. Please note, when you first receive the watch, it will likely say the words "Charge Me" at the bottom when you tap on the screen. Once connected to a charger, the words will disappear and the lightning bolt icon will show up to indicate that you are correctly charging the watch. Simply leave the watch connected to the charger overnight to ensure it's fully charged for each morning you're participating in the study. I'll now explain a couple common charging problems and what to do if you encounter them. If when you tap on the screen, you do not see a display that looks like the one previously shown, and instead see a bright red screen that says "Tap to launch Study app," simply tap anywhere on the screen to begin the app. At this point, when you connect the watch to a charger, you should see the yellow lightning bolt indicator appear. Another issue you might encounter is that when you tap on the screen, nothing happens. This means that the watch is not powered on, possibly due to insufficient charge. What you should do is first make sure that the watch is charged. After that, you can carefully remove the protective cover and plastic piece from the top right button. Once removed, hold down the top right button until you feel the watch vibrate and the TicWatch logo will appear on the screen. At this point, you can replace the plastic piece and protector back on the watch as shown in the video. Please note that the screen protector must be oriented correctly for a proper fit. Also make sure it is pressed against the top piece to ensure a snug fit. If installed correctly, the plastic piece should block inadvertent taps of the top button. Once the power-up sequence is complete, you will see the red "Tap to Launch Study app" screen. Simply tap on this button and then the app will start. Beginning the study. The night before you begin the study, make sure you charge the watch overnight. In the morning, when you're ready to begin, remove the watch from its charger and perform the following check to confirm your watch is ready to go. First, tap on the watch screen. You should see a screen that looks like this, complete with your study ID, the time, and current watch battery percentage. If you do not see this screen and instead see the red Tap to Launch Study App screen, then simply tap anywhere on the screen to start the app. Once in the app, please confirm that the study ID at the top of the screen matches the participant ID that you are assigned for the study. If it does not, you can continue the study as normal, but we ask that you please contact the study coordinator by emailing us at MacM3@McMaster.ca. Now you're ready to begin the study. Simply wear the watch on your non-dominant wrist. This means if you're right-handed, the watch should be worn on your left wrist. Conversely, if you're left-handed, the watch should be worn on your right wrist. The app on the watch is designed to collect data passively as you wear it, so you do not need to interact with the watch at all once you have confirmed it's running. While wearing the watch, please take care to avoid exposing it to any water. This means you should remove the watch when showering, bathing, or swimming. Please continue to wear the watch throughout the day while you're awake. Before bed, make sure to recharge the watch so it has enough battery power to last on your next study day. If your watch is low battery, the words "Charge Me" will appear on the app screen. If you see this, please place the watch back on the charger if convenient and allow it to recharge. It takes approximately 1 hour for the watch to fully recharge once placed back on the charger. You can continue wearing the watch after the recharging period, but remember to place it back on the charger at the end of the day before bed. Once you have worn the watch for 10 consecutive days, you can return the watch back to us. You'll be provided specific instructions for the return process in your study package. Please keep in mind that completion of any part of this study is voluntary. Thank you for watching this instructional video. If you have any questions about the study, please don't hesitate to email us at MacM3@McMaster.ca. Thank you, and on behalf of the McMaster Monitoring My Mobility team, we hope you have a great day.